Accounting is an often overlooked career, and yet it is a skill that used regularly in daily life. While it's true that accounting is most typically viewed as an essential part of the business world, in this video, we'll talk about accounting from the perspective of general accounting, market demand, Islamic views, and political insights.
Accounting is a term that describes the process of consolidating financial information to make it clear and understandable for all stakeholders and shareholders. The main goal of accounting is to record and report a company's financial transaction, financial performance, and cash flows. Accounting standards improve the reliability of financial statements include the statement of profit or loss, the statement of changes in equity, the statement of financial position, and the statement of cash flow. Standardized reporting allows all stakeholders and shareholders to assess the performance of business. Financial statements need to be transparent, reliable, and accurate.
Literally, accounting is the process of keeping a financial account. To be more specific, it includes summarizing, analyzing, and reporting these transactions to oversight agencies, regulators, and tax collection entities. In the perspective of the market demand nowadays, the accounting field is one of the most useful knowledge that contributes to applying for a job in the labor market, since almost all private firms and government entities need that field to record their financial accounts and so on. According to Coursera.com, one of the highest demanded jobs is financial manager. As we know, to be a financial manager, at least we have to know basics about accounting so we can oversee companies' finance, including their profit and expenditures.
In Islamic perspective, accounting plays a very important role in zakah transaction. The various sources of zakah accounting are actually going to provide an answer to the question of whether the accounting capable of acting since zakah management. Zakah accounting will provide information or data of a general nature modified, technically practical, reorganized to be able to calculate the zakah that in fact contain a special purpose, such as the purification of wealth. The business organization is generally oriented to profit by using the entity, which means that the company is a separate entity from its owners, while zakah accounting as a part of Sharia, accounting affirms that a company or business organization is united with its owner, so that he has an obligation to pay zakah. Consequently, the business organization to change the orientation from profit and stakeholder oriented to zakah oriented, conservation of nature oriented, and stakeholder oriented.
Every country has a public accounting system, which is PAS, a system that manages and provides information on the government's financial transactions, assets, and records. Accounting, bookkeeping, recording, and reporting is necessary for effective decision-making, control, and transparency. Timely, accurate, and adequate information on income and expenditure flows strengthens the capacity of government to decide and control budget totals. It also helps in the management of long-term fiscal sustainability and affordability of policies. A proper public accounting system ensures that the government can meet payments. Transparency is a core issue of PAS. The government must decide to what extent it will be open and whether they will publish financial reports and make the government finances transparent. Access to accounting information not only provides the government with an opportunity for more informed financial and managerial decision making, it also reduces the chances of corruption. Without good fiscal information, governments cannot understand the fiscal risks they have to face or make good budget decisions. Fiscal transparency is therefore the foundation of effective fiscal management. Finally, the level of corruption in public accounting will not only depend on political abuse and mismanagement, but also on auditing quality. Forensic or investigate auditors can do some extent reveal fraud, embezzlement, and corruption in public accounting, but broader institutional controls, which is horizontal accountability, media scrutiny, and civil society oversight and control may also be required, which vertical accountability. That's all. Without good fiscal information, governments... Oh yeah. Oh sorry. Ulang balik tak apa dia. Cameraman mana cameraman? Ya. Selesai sudah. Alhamdulillah.